What if I told you that right now, there's a way to make a ton of money, and you don't need a college degree, you don't need a rich uncle, and you barely need any money to start? Today, we are diving deep into the world of AI, and I'm going to show you 10 ways you can start earning real cash like today. And I mean anyone. It doesn't matter if you're a guy, a girl, a teenager trying to buy a new gaming console, or a bachelor who wants some extra cash for the weekend. This isn't some get-rich-quick fantasy, this is the future, and it's happening right now. I'm talking about using simple AI tools to create things people will actually pay for. We're going to break it down step by step, making it so easy that my little brother could do it. Seriously, the only thing standing between you and a new income stream is hitting the play button on this video. I've spent thousands of hours and a ridiculous amount of money figuring this stuff out, and I'm giving it all to you for free. So, get ready to have your mind blown. We're going to cover everything from mastering your first tool to building an entire business that runs itself. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint. The only question is, are you ready to actually use it? Because the opportunity is massive and it's right here for the taking. Let's get into it. Alright, first things first, I see so many people mess this up. They try to learn everything at once, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Runway, 11 other weirdly named AI tools, and they end up being mediocre at all of them. That's a huge mistake. Imagine trying to become a pro athlete by playing basketball, soccer, and hockey all at the same time. You'd get crushed. The secret is to pick one tool and go all in. Become the absolute best at it. If you like writing, make ChatGPT your best friend. Learn every single prompt, every technique, every little trick until you can make it write better than Shakespeare. If you're a visual person, then you need to live inside Midjourney or DALL-E 3. Spend hours generating images, learning how to describe exactly what you want, from a cyberpunk cat wearing a tiny top hat, to a photorealistic image of a burger that looks so good it makes you hungry. The goal is to become so good with that one tool that people have no choice but to hire you. You want to be the go-to person for that specific skill. Don't be a jack of all trades, be a master of one. That's how you stand out and start making serious money fast. Okay, so you've spent a week mastering your one AI tool. Now what? You need to prove you can do the work and get paid for it. Don't go chasing huge clients right away. You need to start small and build momentum. I'm talking about heading straight to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and creating a gig for something simple, like I will write 5 AI-powered tweets for your brand for $5, or I will create a custom AI profile picture for you for $10. The price doesn't matter right now. What matters is getting your first few sales and, more importantly, your first 5-star reviews. Think of these first few gigs as paid training. You're getting real-world experience, building a portfolio, and collecting social proof that you can actually deliver. Once you make your first $50 or $100, do not go and spend it on pizza. No. You take that money and you reinvest it. Maybe you buy the premium version of your AI tool, or you run a small ad for your gig. This is how you snowball your success. Start with a tiny, low-risk gig, get a few wins, and use that momentum to level up. It's a simple strategy, but almost no one does it. You want to know how I learn most of the crazy stuff we do on my channel? It's not from some fancy university or expensive course. It's from YouTube. And guess what? You can get a world-class education in AI for the low price of free. There are literally thousands of creators out there making incredible tutorials on every AI tool imaginable. You can find step-by-step guides on how to write the perfect ChatGPT prompt, or how to create cinematic videos with AI, or how to automate your entire life. All you have to do is search for it. But don't just watch passively. You need to be an active learner. Open up the AI tool in another window and follow along with the tutorial. Pause the video, try the technique yourself, and experiment. Subscribe to the best channels and turn on notifications so you know the second a new video drops. Platforms like Coursera also have free introductory courses from actual universities. And don't forget about X, formerly Twitter. It's a goldmine for quick tips and threads from AI experts. Your education is your responsibility, and the resources are all there, waiting for you. This might be the most underrated tip in this entire video. You can be the best AI artist in the world, but if nobody knows you exist, you're not going to make any money. You need to get out there and network. And I don't mean going to boring conferences and handing out business cards, I mean getting active in the online communities where your future clients and collaborators are hanging out. Join AI-focused subreddits like r/ChatGPT or r/Midjourney. Start conversations, answer people's questions, and share what you're learning. LinkedIn is another powerhouse. Optimize your profile to scream AI expert. Connect with people in marketing, e-commerce, and tech. The people who actually have problems that your AI skills can solve. Post the cool stuff you're creating. Comment on other people's posts with insightful thoughts, not just great posts. The same goes for X. Follow the big names in the AI space, engage with their content, and join the conversation. You'd be shocked at how many high-paying opportunities come from a simple interaction in a Reddit thread or a thoughtful comment on a LinkedIn post. Okay, this is crucial. You have to show people what you can do. It's not enough to just say, "I'm good with AI." You need to prove it. This means you need to build a public portfolio of your work. Every cool image you generate, every piece of copy you write, every video you edit with AI tools needs to be showcased somewhere. The easiest way to start is on social media. Create a dedicated Instagram or X account just for your AI creations. Post daily. Use the right hashtags. Let the world see your talent. For a more professional look, create a simple portfolio website. You can use free platforms like Card or Framer to build a beautiful one-page site in just a few hours. Upload your best work, write a short bio, and make it incredibly easy for people to contact you. This website is your digital storefront, and it's working for you 24/7. When a potential client asks to see your work, you don't want to be scrambling to find files on your computer. You want to send them a single professional link that blows them away. Start building your brand today. You could be the world's best AI-powered jingle writer, but if you're trying to sell jingles to librarians, you're going to starve. You need to focus your incredible new skills on industries that are desperate for them and have the money to pay. Think about it. Which businesses can benefit the most from better marketing, faster content creation, and stunning visuals? I'll give you a hint. E-commerce is a huge one. Every online store needs product descriptions, ad copy, and social media images. You can do all of that with AI. Other massive markets include real estate agents who need property descriptions and virtual staging photos, or fitness coaches who need content for their social media and workout plans. The key is to pick a niche. Instead of being a generic AI content creator, you become the AI guy for real estate agents or the AI marketing expert for fitness brands. This makes you an instant specialist. It's so much easier to find clients when you can say, "I help people just like you solve this specific problem using AI." Go where the demand is highest and you'll find the money is there too. As you start getting more clients, you're going to run into a new problem. You're running out of time. There are only so many hours in the day, right? Wrong. This is where you use AI to automate your own workflow, so you can handle more work without going insane. I'm talking about using tools like Zapier or Make.com. These are automation platforms that connect all your different apps and tools together, creating a workflow that runs on autopilot. It's like having a team of robot assistants working for you 24/7. For example, you can set up an automation where every time a client fills out an intake form on your website, it automatically creates a new project in your project management tool, drafts a welcome email using ChatGPT, and sends you a notification on Slack. You just saved yourself 20 minutes of boring administrative work. You can automate invoicing, social media posting, lead follow-ups, almost anything. The more you automate the repetitive, boring parts of your business, the more time you can spend on the high-value, creative work that actually makes you money. The world of AI is moving at an insane speed. A tool that was revolutionary last month might be obsolete next month. If you want to keep earning money in this space, you absolutely cannot get complacent. You have to commit to being a lifelong learner and staying on the cutting edge. This doesn't mean you have to spend all day reading research papers. It's actually much easier than that. The best place to stay updated is on X. It's the real-time pulse of the AI community. You need to follow the right people and companies. I'm talking about the official accounts for the tools you use, like at OpenAI or at Midjourney. Follow the big tech news outlets and AI-focused newsletters. Follow individual AI researchers and power users who are constantly sharing the latest breakthroughs and coolest new tools. Just 15 minutes of scrolling through a curated X feed each morning can give you a massive advantage over everyone else who isn't paying attention. The person who knows about the new game-changing feature first is the person who can offer it to their clients first. At some point, you're going to hit a ceiling on what you can do alone. You might get a request from a client for a project that requires skills you don't have. For example, you're a God-tier AI writer, but the client also needs a stunning visual to go with the blog post. Instead of saying no and losing the entire project, this is where you collaborate. You need to build a small, trusted network of other AI freelancers who have complementary skills. You, the writer, should know a great AI artist. The AI artist should know a great AI video editor. When a big project comes in, you can team up and tackle it together. You can offer a complete package to the client, which is way more valuable than just one piece of the puzzle. This allows you to take on much bigger, higher-paying projects than you could ever handle on your own. You can find these collaborators in the same online communities we talked about earlier: Reddit, LinkedIn, Discord servers. Reach out to people whose work you admire and propose a partnership. It's a win-win. You both make more money and deliver a better product to the client. Okay, you've done everything right. You're making good money from your main AI gig. Now it's time to get smart and protect yourself by diversifying your income. Relying on just one source of income, even if it's a good one, is risky. What if that client leaves? What if that platform changes its algorithm? You need to build multiple streams of income, all powered by your AI skills. For example, in addition to your client work, you could start creating and selling your own digital products. Use Midjourney to generate incredible, unique images and sell them as stock photos or art prints on sites like Adobe Stock or Etsy. Use ChatGPT to write a short ebook or a pack of social media templates and sell them. You can also get into affiliate marketing. If you're constantly using and talking about a specific AI tool, sign up for their affiliate program and earn a commission every time someone signs up through your link. By combining client work, digital products, and affiliate income, you create a much more stable and resilient business. One stream might dip, but the others will keep you afloat. And there you have it. 10 real, actionable strategies you can use to start making money with AI right now. We covered everything from becoming a master of one tool to building multiple streams of income. This isn't theoretical nonsense. This is the exact blueprint that people are using to change their financial situations. The technology is here, the demand is here, and the opportunity is wide open for anyone willing to grab it. It doesn't matter what your background is or how much experience you have. Anyone can learn this stuff. The information is useless though if you just close this video and go back to scrolling. The single most important thing you can do is take action. I'm challenging you right now to pick just one of the 10 methods we talked about today. Just one. Maybe it's mastering ChatGPT. Maybe it's creating your first Fiverr gig. Whatever it is, decide on it right now and commit to spending at least 1 hour on it today. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it will never come. The perfect moment is now. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button because we have so much more insane content coming your way. Go pick your first step, get started, and let me know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Now go make that money.